Welcome back to my morning report. Chart proposals on Monday, the 8th of February, with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Antec Markets. Let's move on to Eurodollar. And this Eurodollar chart broke out last week, and it's finding support above the pivot band again. Now, I've sort of zoomed out quite a long way just to show you what happens really, because you see these sort of the old resistance around this 1050 level gets broken out, and then it gets used as the basis of support for the moves higher. It happened again here. Not quite there, did it? I mean, but still, you'd argue it was an element. Then supportive to the downside, then became resistance again. Resistance, 1050, and now is it becoming supportive again? You've had the breakout, and that 11050 to 111 figure, I see that as a big pivot band on this chart. You sort of last couple of days finding lows around that 111 mark, and I think that is sort of where we're finding the next sort of buy zone, because we've moved into a more positive mindset sort of outlook configuration on this on the daily RSI, moving above that 60 line. Let me get the crosshair. You can see 60 previously has been pretty much the limit of the upside, but obviously that resistance on the RSI has been broken out, momentum coming increasingly strong, and it's up in the high 60s now. Stochastics are positive, MACD positive as well, so I'm taking this as a nice confirmed breakout. You had the reaction low of 1107 on Friday, bounced off that post payrolls, and it looks as though it's finding support again today. This is the candles over the hourly chart. That was the payrolls hour, where you saw the initial reaction on the headline disappointment, but then obviously the hourly earnings were positive, the unemployment rate falling, so the market then sort of reassessed its outlook on that payroll support. Euro dollar fell, but then finding support again above that 111 area as support, and it's now sort of turning higher again. So I think it's a positive outlook on euro dollar that we're seeing now, and I think corrections are a chance to buy. You've seen the hourly RSI unwind to a nice buy zone as well, but around the 35.40 level, pushing higher from there. MACD lines unwound to neutral, starting to push up. Stochastics improving as well. This is sort of playing into this whole argument of mine that I think we're going to be seeing further gains within this band, within this big trading range, testing Friday's high of 1243. The resistance above that is 13 figure, which is an old pivot line from late September, early October, and I think that's how this one's going to be playing out. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on Eurodollar, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.